What's going on here?
Everybody has to temporarily get out. Down to the exits.
What the hell, man?
Yes, we're evacuating. Everybody out.
Sorry that had to happen on you, Ray.
Oh, yeah. That'd be bad.
It'll be okay.
Apparently, everyone has to leave the dealer's room for some unknown reason. Fire alarm? Oh, God. Oh, that is not good. Fire alarm, that is not good.
Right now, I'm holding doors open, so you can evacuate, okay?
Are we getting evacuated? Get them pictures, boy. Get them pictures.
Like, I'm not even kidding. Yeah.
I ride horses. I don't run marathons.
Oh, God. Right in the cold.
Oh, it's bad.
God, we're in the cold. This is not cool. Not cool.
There's a heated area in the parking garage. Yep, she said that's not a drill, but it's actually bad.
Actually, a fire? Wait, there's actual fire?
Yeah.
God damn it.
look at her over there. How do you think she's a vermin?
I feel bad for all these girls out here.
Yeah, they're worse than you are.
Yeah.
You should be complaining.
Why would you record right now? It's so cold.
Why not?
We heard this in like, oh, we thought it was like a rain or something going on in there. I was like, wait a minute.
We're at on the other side, like by those windows. Anything, we were like on the other side. And I left it in my bag because I didn't like I was so excited that yesterday that was done. Okay, we're almost done. We're good. Are you filming the worst Katsu ever?
Yeah.
Yeah. There are firefighters with axes, so at least we know it's not just a drill. Very excited. Where's Stevie Franks? Oh, I know.
Oh, I feel so bad for him.
Hey, Rick. Yeah, I know this is the worst Katsucon ever. This is possibly the worst Katsucon ever. I was trying to find some good deals on some goods. Instead, I get a fire alarm. And I'm in a bloody cold. I mean, seriously, this is the worst Katsucon ever. I didn't expect this to happen. Seriously. This is fucking bullshit.
I don't really want to be filmed, man.
Okay. Now we're having wind. God.
My umbrella. So dumb.
You could. Don't.
Let's find a restaurant within walking distance.
My God, this is the worst Katsucon ever.
No, you weren't here for the blizzards.
That was horrible.
There you go. I was never there for it, but I heard about them.
Yes. I got stranded at the Gaylord. Like, you may not think that sounds bad, but it's bad.
Oh my God. I mean, there was some close calls with the blizzard of 2010 and the blizzard of 2014.
Yeah.
But this is actually the second worst thing that happened to Katsucon. I was never there for, Katsucon.
Were you there for Photocon?
Photocon?
2010.
Oh, Photocon, yes, 2010, yes. I was here for Photocon. Photocon, no, I've been to Katsucon in 2010 while I was in the Gaylord Hotel.
Photocon's where this is the first time they had a fire.
This is the first time they had a fire?
This is the first time in the Katsucon I know. Photocon's the first one to, I know, release everyone. All 30,000 people.
Yeah, I actually recorded that footage. I was actually...
Harbor's not big enough for that.
Oh, we were all in there.
Yeah. Wow.
A stack, trust me.
Yeah, I was there for the Oricon fire evacuation. I actually recorded the footage as well.
I take a picture of your shirt and send it to my mom.
Oh my God. My nipples are cut diamonds right now.
Huh?
Yeah, I think so. This is serious.
Oh, we gotta go farther back.
We're after you get your pictures.
I have a photo shoot.
Down there and then go around.
Jesus Christ, this is a total evacuation.
I need to get inside. Oh my God. Are you filming everyone walking?
I've been recording this event.
Well, I don't even have any sleeves on at all.
You don't have any sleeves?
No, I have no sleeves. I'm wearing fishnets.
God damn it.
So hopefully I can get inside the whatever thing is across.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to be in for a while.
Oh my God.
I really hope this is a false alarm. I swear. We gotta get inside.
I need to get inside. I don't know what that is, but I'm going inside.
There's a hotel.
I don't care. I'm going inside.
Oh God.
God.
Where God?
I gotta have time.
Oh my God.
Guys, hold up real quick. Let's start through.
Throw on a coat.
Oh God, this is so cool.
Bullshit. Here, Melissa's gonna talk to you. Yet? Okay, bye, I love you.